it's morning, and good evening if it's like nighttime. I can't say good night because then you're gonna like go to sleep. But either way, hey, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Zine Bakita Simango, and I am so glad that you've chosen to watch one of my videos. So it is currently day 3 in Ibiza, and I'm super excited. So what's gonna happen today is, as you saw, I went to the gym, but I didn't film anything in the gym. And now we are going to go to a private beach that's meant for like the residents of the hotel we're currently staying at the STK Ibiza hotel. And after that, we are going to go to dinner. Yes, thank you, Zing. We're gonna go to dinner at STK, which is like a steakhouse. I'm excited for that. So that is pretty much what's in store for today. Let's get into it. Okay, the letter Z. Go.
The letter Z. Country.
Zimbabwe.
City.
City.
Did you say country or city?
It's country, town, animal, zebra, brand, Zao. The restaurant is a brand. It's a brand. And then now I need a town that starts with Z.
We should have a timer for
Yeah,
this.
we need to have a town. A town that starts with Z.
Next one.
Yeah.
Zirast.
Zirast.
Yeah, Zirast is a town. Z-E-E-R-U-S-T. Zirast.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Okay. And what letter? I. I.
Johnny. I did it. What?
Country,
Town. Island.
I.
It is I. Yes, it's island. Town.
Hi, guys, no, stop it.
No, don't
Wait.
Zing, focus on yourself. No, my island.
No.
Guys, no.
Zing is going to have to go again because everyone was talking.
Iguana.
Yeah.
What else? Town and country. Oh, no. Label is a brand. Brand.
Sanel is coming on
in
the
town.
phone.
Town is I. Brand. Which brand did you choose? I'm still thinking. So this is not right. Huh? No, it's not up. Is it up? It's up. Okay. So
Drink.
taking 2 shots. Town? I?
2 shots.
In India town. No.
What?
India.
1, 2. Okay.
Town. It could be Kentucky. Brand. Kentucky Fried Chicken. What else is there? Animal.
Animal. Yes,
Kangaroo. Country. I don't know country.
I know country, but I'm not gonna take it. No, we won't tell her.
Yes, Kenya.
There you go.
Yeah.
I'm not opening your mouth.
Come on. 3 shots.
One. Next time, don't help. See, I'm a traitor.
Guys, I'm not serious. They offend me.
Your not serious. Your sips are not serious.
No.
That's one sip.
Have another one.
Guys, she must have for asking for help. I didn't ask anyone for help.
Take a sip.
Country, I don't know what country. Just saying, please help me. You
She was just speaking on the side.
you were saying it, you actually crying for help. That's the way I was saying it. I was crying for help. Yes, I'm good.
Hey, I just wanted to do like a quick update before things change. So we just went to the beach. It was a really nice beach. I liked it. I didn't really take a lot of footage by the beach because there were a lot of like topless people, and I didn't want to put like people out there like that. Like, yes, that person is topless, but like they're topless in their own comfort, and I don't feel like they want to be videographed. So it's just like, okay, I'm not going to take any videos of like the beach because they're topless people, and I don't want to like do anything weird. So that happened. But now we are back. We are gonna go sit by the pool, eat, play some games, chill, and then we're gonna go to STK tonight. It's like night. It's like nighttime. So STK, they say you have to be there for 2 hours, and we're gonna be there from like 11 to 12, 1. We're leaving there at 1. So that's gonna be fun. Like being at a restaurant till 1 in the morning. Whew. Never done that before, so it's like excitement. But either way, yeah, that is a little update. And then the next time you see me, I'll be in my pool fit. This is the bikini fit for just like sitting by the pool. It's cute. I really like the glasses. This is the bathroom, but either way, cute. I got this from Shein, so you know, Shein guys, it's the way to go. It really is, especially as a university student, it is the way to go. Because look at this quality, okay, quality. So we just came back from the pool. This is a little immune booster because it was freezing. It was freezing in the water. So gotta make sure I don't get sick, because when I get sick, I die. That's not an exaggeration. I legit sound like an old person close to death, like when I cough and stuff. So immune booster, gonna shower, and then I'm gonna show you a little mini get ready with me for dinner, which is gonna be like so much fun. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Hey, it is currently 2 in the morning, and we just got back from STK, which was really nice. So it's a cool experience. Yeah, it's an experience. I'm so tired, guys. Yo, tired. I want to sleep. So good night. And if you're just waking up, good morning. Till next time. Bye.